Hi, bro. Hi.
Yes, hi. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. And you?
Yes, I'm also doing fantastic and thanks for asking.
Yeah. And
Okay, so just let's talk about stories. Actually, we can't talk
mhm,
about this topic because we don't have much knowledge
mhm,
about this topic, so that's why we are unable. But we can
yeah.
tell stories. We can tell real story. We can tell fake stories.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now
Yeah.
first of all, I'm gonna tell you a story, and then you will tell your
Mm-hmm.
story, your friend's story, your friend's story.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay,
Yeah, yeah.
so yeah, this story is about a mother, Mrs.
Mm-hmm.
Sunita. She lived
Mm-hmm.
in a village and she had a son who lived in a
Mm-hmm.
city. She made a call to her
Mm-hmm.
son,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, in order to talk to him, but he did not want to talk to her. And he said that,
Mm-hmm.
Mama, I am busy right now, I'll call you later. But he really
Mm-hmm.
called back.
Mm-hmm.
So, seeing this, her mother got dejected and
Mm-hmm.
like she was used to write notes.
Mm-hmm.
So he wrote notes every day and put those notes into a box.
Mm-hmm.
And one day, her son come to village without giving any information to his mother. And
Mm-hmm.
he saw there was a box in the room. So out of curiosity, he opened that box and he found some notes. And
Mm-hmm.
on every note there was written something. So he read all notes and there was written something that my son did not call me, my son uh, disconnected my call, I am missing my son a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Reading this, he got his eyes welled up and he went to
Mm-hmm.
his mother and hugged his mother and
Mm-hmm.
said, Mother, no matter how busy I am, I'll definitely call you and I'll
Mm-hmm.
make some time for you. So that's how this
Mm-hmm.
story is over. And like this, you can
Yeah.
also narrate a story.
Mm-hmm.
So please, it's your turn.
Okay. I don't have, I haven't prepared right, so I can't able to speak on that. The thoughts are not getting right now.
Okay, but you can tell your daily, like you can tell your real stories just for 1 minute, 2 minutes, like this.
Yeah. Yesterday, while I'm coming from Hyderabad to Siddipet, I saw an accident nearby. So the accident was very dangerous. The Krishna car, which is also named which is also known by everyone. So
Okay.
which is known for its build quality and all. So even that car has a severe accident with the bus, causing a major damage. Two people in that car were uh, like injured injured so much. So by seeing them, I thought not to do drive. We need to drive carefully by considering all these things. So if we even if we travel in a best car, there is a company called Tata, right? So Tata known for its build quality. So even if we drive in that car, we need to be curious about how we are driving and all. And many of the police persons also told us that we don't need to use cell phones while driving. So even after telling that, so many will use cell phones without listening to them. So I feel that if we listen to the proper guidelines and if we follow that, we can able to survive in a good way.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
Uh,
We should follow guidelines carefully, and by following these
mhm.
guidelines, we can save our life and another person's life. So that's why
Yeah.
we should take care of while driving vehicle,
Mhm.
car, bus, whatever you want to drive, whatever you know
Yeah.
driving.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that's
And
why we
many of
should
the
be
people
careful.
won't wear. Yeah, many of the people won't wear helmet. Wear helmet. Like like if the police persons ask to them like why you are not wearing helmet, they will say like I'm going nearby, so I don't need to wear helmet. So this needs to be changed.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
If you are going just 1 kilometer far from your hometown, then you should
Mhm.
definitely wear your helmet.
Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah.
for sure.
Because like when
Um,
suppose accidentally you accident with a car or something else, so that time your head
mhm.
will be safe.
Yeah,
So
that's for
that's why
sure.
we must wear the helmet while driving motorcycle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
Okay, so
so this is how we can stop.
our
Yeah,
our time is over. We will meet again.
yeah, yeah. Thanks,
Okay,
for
so
sure.
it's a nice to meeting you. Bye
Yeah,
bye.
nice to meet you too. Bye, bye. Yeah.
So that's how you can also narrate a story, and by narrating a story, you can improve your English a lot. And like when we narrate a story, that time we think a lot. We think in English, and by thinking in English, we can improve our speaking English a lot. Okay, so thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.